Reliable power is the foundation for resilient and sustainable infrastructure. We're here at the new Freedom Borough Wastewater Treatment Facility in South Central Pennsylvania to see how reliable power is helping to ensure the availability and the reliability of a critical water process.
Hello, you're in Railroad, Pennsylvania. My name is John S. Smith. I'm the Director of Wastewater Operations here at the new Freedom Wastewater Treatment Plant.
My name is Taylor McDaniel. I'm with Control Systems 21, and we are here at New Freedom Wastewater Treatment Plant.
We treat wastewater, as is done all over the country. We use a variety of chemical and biological processes to have that done and monitored everywhere along the way to ensure it's a clean product going out to the creek. Over the years that I've had in this business, the technology used to control the systems has greatly been enhanced. 50 years ago, it was just pretty much a rudimentary turn the switch on, turn the switch off. Now automation and measurements are used throughout the process, making decisions on their own through the PLCs every day. The old system we had was unreliable, as it was probably 30 years old. This new system that Phoenix Contact installed with its redundant processors, with its redundant fiber optic lines, with the redundant servers, control systems put on to our SCADA system, has really made this a reliable and dependable system.
CS21's role at New Freedom is their system integrator and their electrical technicians. So here at New Freedom, they have a redundant PLC system that is connected to 3 buildings throughout their plant using a fiber ring that has that eliminates a single point of failure. We find that Phoenix Contact is a superior PLC to use in the wastewater treatment plant. We use an assortment of Phoenix Contact's parts. We use their breakers, their power distribution, their power supplies, UPSs. We use a good bit of Phoenix Contact's equipment in our control panels.
When people think power outage, they think generator. And yes, we have a generator, but also we need to keep the PLC that runs the plant up and running so it knows which valves to open and which valves to close before that time that the generator comes up and does provide the power. We have a 3-layered UPS system, uninterruptible power supplies that protect the system both on the AC and the DC side.
Without the surge protection, the system is vulnerable and can shut down parts of the plant. So we find that Phoenix Contact power supplies are reliable. They offer us a redundant power supply capability along with UPS power capability.
It's my belief that the Phoenix Contact system that has been installed will help the community grow and prosper for years to come in a way that protects the environment and the Chesapeake Bay.